Welcome to eFactsTech. In this video, we will see the installation steps of Windows 11. Microsoft gonna announce Windows 11 on 24th of June, but it was leaked few days ago. Remember, this is a developer version, build number 21996.1. If you wish to test or install, please do not install on your daily use systems. Go ahead and install on a virtual machine or any spare laptop or a computer. I have already downloaded the ISO and created a bootable drive, and we're going to use that to install this Windows 10. So I'll restart the computer and we'll see this window. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So press the key and it will start the installation. So now it's loading and we need to click on this next. Click on install now. It's a simple installation just like for every window. Select I don't have a product key for now. We need to select the version, so I'm going to select Pro version here. And once you select this, tap on next. Select the license terms and click on next. So it's a fresh installation, so we'll choose the second option, and then it's a virtual machine, so click on next. So now it will start the installing Windows. This will take some time, so I'm going to fast forward the video. And I'll tell you that the look for this Windows 11 is, if you have seen Windows 10X, it's quite similar to that. And again, it's a developer version. After that, it will come, the beta version. So this will take time to officially come for the users. All right, so on this, we need to select the country. I'm going to select my country, that's India, and we'll click on yes. It's the keyboard layout. Select and then click on yes. You can skip this second keyboard layout. It's doing some update checks. Again, it's I'm fast forwarding the video, so you may not see a few options. In this particular option, select the first one for the personal use and click on next. This is for the account creation, so I'm going for the offline account, so click on sign in options here and it will take you to the next window and select offline account. So now we need to enter few details. So select limited experience on this page, enter the name of your account, password, confirm password, and select the security questions for your account recovery. Don't use my security question answers. This is the privacy settings. Just happens to every Windows installation. You can tap on next and click on accept on this window. So this look is quite new in this Windows 11 and looks quite good actually. Okay, so we are on the Windows 11 desktop now, and I'll show you what is the build for this particular Windows 11 which we have, so we can use run and you can type WinVer, that is WIN, V as in Victor, ER, and then click on OK. So if you can see, this is the developer version and the build is 21996.1. So this is the installation of Windows 11. I have done this on virtual machine. So again, it's a developer version, so not stable. So do not use on your computer which you're using on a daily basis because it might crash. Thank you for watching eFactsTech. Please like, subscribe, and share if it's helpful. Thank you.